Today, all of us are here for the celebration of 75th Independence Day. 75 years of trials and tribulations, sacrifices and achievements. India took baby steps to become one of the largest democracies in the world, overcoming a plethora of challenges to earn global recognition. It has come a long way since independence, leaving behind a string of landmarks that define its journey from the agony of partition to a strong, powerful and developing nation. There are so many wonderful events which took place in India in these beautiful 75 years. Our country's achievements are numerous and include a strong democracy, robust roots of secularism, higher education, nuclear power, stunning economic growth and revival of numerous aspects of traditional wisdom. Owing to the talent and will of the countrymen, we can see that India has reached among the top countries of the world, especially creating strides in science and technology and various other fields. It is quite an interesting fact to know that India is one of the greatest hubs for information technology services. Out of the top 20 best information technology companies in the world, 5 companies are Indian companies. Some of the most important events during these past 75 years include India's first space satellite, which was designed in 1975 and was named after astronomer Aryabhatta. ISRO launching a staggering 104 satellites on a single rocket. The Mars Orbiter Mission MOM, which was successfully launched in 2013, making India the first Asian nation to reach Martian orbit and also the first nation in the world to do so on its maiden attempt. India becoming one of 5 nations in the world to launch a nuclear submarine named INS Arihant. India reduced its out-of-school children by over 90% and achieved universal primary education in 2015. When India became independent, India used to import food grains and depend on international food aid till the mid-1960s. Today, India is self-sufficient in terms of food production and even exports various food grains. Movements like the Chipko movement, 1974 JP movement and many more. Coming to games. Now, this one is for all the cricket fans. That in 1983, India under Kapil Dev won its first Cricket World Cup, and second in 2011 under the captaincy of Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Abhinav Bindra was the first Indian to win an individual gold medal at the Olympic Games. We also won 8 golds, 1 silver, 3 bronze in hockey. The list is endless of all the achievements India has made over the years. Today is a day worth celebrating, for which our ancestors have shed their blood and have struggled a lot. But are we truly justifying the struggle and hard work of our freedom fighters? We should rethink it and should work towards actual freedom of the people of the country by helping them and making them self-dependent and capable enough to support not even themselves but also the country. Independence Day, we should dream of India which is strong and powerful and have the capability to face any problems with unity. Our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi has asked the people of India to take the pledge on this Independence Day to fight pandemics and to make India free of it, and to make sure that every citizen works for self-dependence. Atmanirbhar Bharat India. Let's all pledge हमारा भारत, न्यारा भारत, आत्मनिर्भर भारत, सबका प्यारा भारत. Thank you.
Greetings everyone. I am Trisha Kalra, student of class 8C. I will be reciting a poem, India's Independence Day, by Dr. John Sells. My sleep got disturbed thrice that day. I could not sleep though a holiday. My mind was filled with thoughts unclear. I got up in the morning much earlier. That was India's Independence Day. Thunder, lightning filled the night sky. The day much overcast did fly. The rain was just a drizzle that day, wetted the ground of mud and clay. That was 15th of August, a rainy day. The pea-birds howled and groaned that night. The rain made them shiver with fright. Though 10, it looked like 6 in the morn. The sun behind the clouds had gone. The sky ground glass remained that day. The leaky tap waters that fell raised wavelets, loopy, toned and swell. Raindrops on cables looked like pearls, dropped, formed again, inciting souls. It looked it would rain long that day. Raindrops hanging beneath fir twigs glittered in the scar's light like figs. The whole tree was aglow, alit, a thing of beauty, don't miss it. The sky looked like a bare white boat. A frail, brown-skinned, bony human with a sack on head bent back, he ran. The Indian was agonizing, though people keep sermonizing. 50 years after independence, what good was done for the common man? Thank you.
सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा। हम बुलबुलें हैं इसकी, ये गुलसितां हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा। पर्वत है इसके ऊंचे, प्यारी है इसकी नदियाँ। पर्वत है इसके ऊंचे, प्यारी है इसकी नदियाँ। आगोश पे सीने की गुजरे हजारों सदियाँ, गुजरे हजारों सदियाँ। हंसता है बिजलियों पर ये आशियाँ हमारा। हम बुलबुलें हैं इसकी, ये गुलसितां हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा।
सुप्रभात। मेरा नाम मेघा शरावत है और मैं कक्षा 10वीं बी में पढ़ती हूँ और मैं टेरेसा हाउस में हूँ। आज 15 अगस्त है और मैं बापू जी के ऊपर एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। भारत माता अंधियारे की काली चादर में लिपटी थी पराधीनता की बेनी उनके पैरों से चिपटी थी। था हृदय दग्ध, धू धू करके उनमें ज्वालाएं उठी थी। भारत माँ के पवित्र तन पर गोरों की फौजें पलटी थी। गुजरात राज्य के एक शहर है जिसका नाम पोरबंदर, उस घर में उनका जन्म हुआ। था चमन हमारा धन्य हुआ, दुबला पतला छोटा मोहन पढ़ लिख कर वीर जवान बना। था सत्य अहिंसा देश प्रेम उसकी रग रग में समाया। उसके एक एक आवाज पर 100-100 जन दौड़े आते थे। सत्य अहिंसा 2 शब्दों के महान अस्त्र उठाते थे। गोरों की काली करतूतें, जलियांवाला बागों का गम, रह लिया गुलाम बहुत दिनों तक, अब नहीं रहेंगे गुलाम हम। भारत के सब लोग गांधी के पीछे आए थे। दांडी समुद्र तट पर आकर सबने अपना नमक बनाए थे। भारत छोड़ो, हर और यही आवाज़ उठती थी। भारत के कोनों कोनों से गांधी का नाम उछलता था। गोलों तोपों बंदूकों को चुप सीने पर सहते जाना, अपने दुश्मन पर भी बढ़कर आघात नहीं करना। सच की ताकत के आगे थी, तोपों ने भी हिम्मत हार ली। सच की ताकत के आगे थी, गोरों की सत्ता कांप रही। हट गया ब्रिटिश ध्वज, अब फिर से आजाद तिरंगा लहराया। अत्याचारियों का अंत हुआ, गांधी का भारत हर्षाया। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद।
राजस्थान की तपती धूप में खुद को तपाते हैं, कभी सियाचिन की बर्फ की चद्दर ओढ़ के सो जाते हैं। घर वालों से दूर रहना हमारे लिए भी कहाँ आसान है, पर सच तो ये है, घर से पहले हमारे लिए हमारा हिंदुस्तान है।
गई घड़ी है देखो सबसे बड़ी, मुझसे बस 2 कदम पे देखो जीत खड़ी। हम मुझे कब से इंतजार था आज की शाम का, अब देखो क्या करता है ये बंदा हिंदुस्तान का, जो किसी के भी आगे झुका नहीं। हाँ मैं हूँ उस देश का, बैठ के ले नजारा इस ट्रैवल और बेस का। सीधा चलूं या चलूं ढाई चाल, मैं खेल मेरा होगा ये देख लंबी रेस का। मिट्टी का कर्ज है मैं मर के भी चुकाऊंगा, तुझे मिट्टी कर दूंगा या फिर मिट्टी में मिल जाऊंगा। जो भी कहा था मैं वो करके दिखाऊंगा, इंडिया से हूँ खाली हाथ नहीं जाऊंगा। सुजलां मलयज शीतलां शस्य श्यामलां मातरं वन्दे। सुजलां सुफलां मलयज शीतलां शस्य श्यामलां मातरं वन्दे। सुजलां सुफलां मलयज शीतलां शस्य श्यामलां मातरं वन्दे।
लड़ता रहूंगा तब तक जब तक खून का आखिरी कतरा बाकी है। रखवाला हूं हिंदुस्तान का, कसम हमें भारत माँ की है। इस देश की सरहद को कोई छू नहीं सकता, जिस देश के सरहद पे हम जवान हैं। वंदे मातरम।
There is no way we can thank our soldiers and so many people for their precious contribution, because of which we can celebrate the glorious 75th Independence Day today. But with the next dance and music performance, we can pay a tribute to them. This is our way to tell them that we are with them and are very thankful for all the things they do for us.